Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to do a bike check on my race bike. And let's get started. We're just going to work our way from the front to the back. So we're going to start with the Sins brake lever. Then the ODI lock-on grips. Got the Sins bars. The Stolen stem. Now this is actually a Sins headset, but I put an FSA cap on it because the Sins one was red and I didn't want red. Then we have the Sins Elite carbon forks with the aluminum steer tube. We have the Bombshell Revolution rims laced to a Bombshell hub, of course. Then ITS tires, front and back. But actually, I do have a pair of Envies sitting in my closet because I don't have hubs for them yet. I'm waiting on those. So that's why I'm currently riding these Bombshells just until I get these hubs. Looking for stealth hubs probably, most likely at least. Then we have the 2013 SE PK Ripper Elite Frame XL. Then we have the profile seat, the croupy seat post. Well, see how it moves back and forth? Well, the seat post size is 26.8 and that's 27.2, so doesn't exactly fit, and plus I need a seat post clamp, which I'm getting tonight. So I have Sins Elite cranks. They're a little bit worn out. I have the Shimano chainring. Odyssey Twisted PCs. I just took those off my park bike so I could just do whatever outside on the street. Regular KMC chain. Sins Pro bottom bracket. We got the Sins brakes and the Bombshell Revolution back wheel. And that's gonna complete our bike check. Well, plus I don't have a brake cable either, so I broke that. But yes, that's going to complete our bike check. So guys, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.